in beautiful Las Vegas with a bunch of friends. We're going to the Grow with Video Live conference with Sean Cannell, Alejandro Reyes is speaking, our friend Brady Sharir, and a bunch of others. The room is just filled with great YouTubers and entrepreneurs, and it's about half church people and half business people. It's been a really great conference, and just wanted to introduce you to some friends and let you know what we're learning. We're learning all about how to grow your business, grow your church, grow your ministry, grow whatever you're doing through YouTube. I think YouTube is super important. We're on the verge of something huge with YouTube. All of my kids, ages 2 to 11, watch YouTube all day long. They don't ever watch TV anymore. YouTube is where it's at. It's where the next generation is going to be consuming most of their content. And so the church needs to be on YouTube. And there's a lot to learn there. So let's check in with some friends, see what we're learning. Kenny, what are you learning at Grow with Video Live?
Hey, I love this place. I love relationships. I'm really glad that Daniel came out to actually meet us in person instead of living in his fantasy video world.
This is ridiculous. I came out, this is my rental car, and I'm at the hump seat. I'm in the back on the hump seat, and this is literally my car.
I didn't say.
So what did we learn? So number one video lesson is bias for action. Version 1 is better than version none. You got to press the record button.
There you go.
Sean shared his funny videos from like 2006 or whatever.
That was pretty legit.
Totally ridiculous.
Yeah.
But you got to start somewhere, right? So that's lesson number 1. What's lesson number 2?
Don't get infatuated with gear. You know,
Start with your phone.
Yeah. So like that's what you're on right now, right?
I did buy this ridiculously expensive mic.
And it's an iPhone.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah, and it's $1,000 phone.
Where is this
but
going live to? Like,
this is not live.
Oh, it's
this
not
is
live.
A video.
Then why are we
vlogging?
Grow with Video.
Oh, this is Grow with Video.
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel is the
Andy,
Facebook
what are you
Live
learning,
guy.
man? Did you
He's
learn anything
addicted
new?
to live.
Yeah. AVL, man.
AVL. What does that stand for?
Audio Video Lighting.
Nice.
That's actually good. That's a good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Good reminder. Always be mindful. Good audio.
Audio is more important.
Good video. Audio is more important than video.
Is it
and
wrong on the
decent
7
lighting.
C's? All I remember is cash.
7 C's. Cash,
like
cash,
7
cash.
C's.
Cash and cash.
The one he didn't even go over?
Yeah, I don't even think cash was on there.
Here's one
It was
takeaway.
on
I think
there.
everyone knows it, but you got to get your house in order, right? Like,
Yeah.
so he had the metaphor of if you're inviting guests over to your house, you're gonna clean it up. So make sure you got your good, nice profile pic.
Yeah, that's
you
right.
have what
Good description and keywords.
you know, all that
part
stuff.
of
The
it
thumbnails are super important on YouTube.
Yeah, whatever your message is, make sure your video is actually projecting that. So, don't again, if you're talking about money or you're talking, especially we're talking church world, right? This is all going
Sure.
to
Sunday to Sunday.
So yeah, maybe you know what I see. This is we talk about rant videos. If you're a pastor and you want to record a video, please don't do it behind your desk. Get out, walk around. I love the rant idea. Yeah.
Like that's something any pastor
Right.
can start doing. Like we all want to talk about specific things. Like I think it's cool to just
a great place to record
action point,
a video.
start a rant.
A great place to record a video is in a notable landmark around your town. You know, go and record a video. Go talk to
Go out in the community. That's smart.
Record a video rather than being behind a desk.
I love it. Well,
there's another guy back here as well.
more for you later.
Oh yeah.
This guy.
What's up?
What are you learning, brother?
Well, I'll just talk to you about community. That was a big takeaway for me. You know, we have a lot of stuff out there, messages every weekend. You're posting it everywhere, but creating that conversation and making sure that is they said 50% of the effort is content, 50% is conversation and community. And I thought that was really good. Just to keep it going. It's important. Keep the conversation going, not just one little announcement type thing. You got to keep it going.
I love it.
So
Love it.
that's all I
And
got.
I love sitting in the middle of Kenny and Jonathan.
You look really comfortable there.
I look like I need to go on a diet. That's what it looked like.
Well, some In-N-Out will help with that.
Okay. Go on away now.
Well, I hope that's helpful for you. We're learning a ton here at the conference. We're having a good time. in Las Vegas. Try not to get into too much trouble, but look at this view. Look at this incredible view outside of my room. Maybe we'll go play some golf later. Here's what I'm learning. You got to just grab your camera. You don't need the most expensive gear. You don't need anything but the smartphone that's in your pocket already. Just grab it. You don't even have to care what your hair looks like. Just grab a camera, start recording, start documenting your life, start putting content out there. It can get better as you go, but pastors, church leaders, just show the world from your perspective. Try to share some nuggets here and there. It's something that I'm going to try to be doing more of, not only in this group, but through Sunday U, just me personally. It doesn't even have to go out on YouTube. There's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's so many channels out there right now to put content out. So just grab a camera and get started today.
Do it, let me see it.